has surprised many by announcing that the Pixel 9 series will be released on August 13th, much earlier than their usual fall launch. With only a few days until the reveal, we can expect 4 new Pixel phones this year. The lineup includes 3 regular models: the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. There will also be an innovative foldable device called the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to be the standout model. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will be the biggest and most advanced of the new Pixel phones, launching this August. This makes it a strong competitor to Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is currently Samsung's top smartphone for 2024. Which phone will be better? According to the latest rumors and leaks, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to be a direct successor to the Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 8 Pro. It will have a 6.7-inch display, similar in size to its predecessor. In terms of design, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a sleek stainless steel frame with a mostly flat base, which is very popular right now. It will follow the recognizable Pixel, featuring a new camera strip on the back that moves away from the previous 3D visors. Both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold are expected to have strong protection against water and dust, including IP68. This means they can handle being submerged to 1.5 liters of water for 30 minutes without any problems. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a nearly flat titanium frame with a slight curve for better comfort. It is Samsung's largest phone in 2024, with a completely flat 6.8-inch display. Like earlier Galaxy models, it includes the S Pen, which is stored in its built-in slot. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will likely come in colors like black, white, porcelain, pink, rose, and green. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is available in various shades, including black, gray, violet, yellow, blue, green, and orange. Some colors are different, while the two phones have slightly different display sizes, with a difference in the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a 6.7-inch Full HD plus OLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making contact go seamless. Although details are still under wraps, we expect the Pixel 9 Pro XL to have an impressive brightness of its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro, potentially reaching over 2400 nits for excellent visibility. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a slightly larger 6.8-inch Full HD plus OLED display, also with 120 Hz refresh rate. Samsung is also focusing on brightness, with the S24 Ultra capable of reaching over 2500 nits under optimal conditions. For biometric security, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will likely have an in-display fingerprint scanner, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We hope it uses ultrasonic technology instead of optical, as ultrasonic scanners usually provide quicker and more accurate performance. Based on predictions and various rumors, it's likely that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature the Tensor G4 chip. Like its predecessors, this chip focuses heavily on AI and machine learning capabilities rather than just raw processing power. However, the Tensor G4 is still expected to handle demanding tasks well, as previous versions have shown. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, known for being one of the top performers in 2024. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 not only excels in benchmark tests, but is also efficient due to its 4-nanometer manufacturing process. The Pixel 9 Pro XL might have 16 GB of RAM, which would be more than enough for its features. If not, 12 GB of RAM would still be a solid choice. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 12 GB of RAM, which is sufficient for now, but may not be future-proof given the growing demands of AI technology. Samsung and Google have both set impressive 7-year software update policies. This means the Pixel 9 Pro XL will get support until 2031, matching the Galaxy S24 Ultra's longevity. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to launch with Android 15, which will be a minor upgrade from Android 14. However, there's a chance that Google might delay Android 15 to refine it, meaning the Pixel 9 series could launch with Android 14 instead. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, but Samsung is likely to release One UI 7 based on Android 15 soon after Google officially launches the new software. Details about the Pixel 9 Pro XL's camera specs are limited, but the tech community believes it will likely have a similar camera setup to its predecessor. This includes a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Given the excellent quality of Pixel cameras, we trust that Google can improve image quality with the current hardware. However, there are rumors that Google might change the camera setup for the Pixel 9 Pro. Some speculate that the new camera might include three 50-megapixel sensors on the back. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses could use the Sony IMX858 sensor, while the main camera might use a 50-megapixel Samsung GMK sensor. The front-facing camera on the Pixel 9 Pro might also be a 50-megapixel Sony IMX858. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra keeps the same camera system as the S23 Ultra, but with one key change. It replaces the 10-megapixel periscope camera with a 50-megapixel telephoto lens that offers 5x optical zoom. This change has improved the device's zoom quality, allowing it to still achieve the 100x space zoom while providing better zoom performance overall. It's still unclear which phone will have better image quality, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to have an edge with its more flexible camera setup. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have a battery capacity of either 5,500 or 5,100 milliampere hours, a small increase from the 5,000 mAh battery in the previous model. With the efficient Tensor G4 chip, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to have great battery performance, probably better than the Pixel 8 Pro. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 5,000 mAh battery that, combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, offers excellent battery life and sets a high standard for flagship phones in 2024. There are rumors that the Pixel 9 Pro XL might support 33 watts wired charging, which would be slower than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 45-watt wired charging. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to have 23 watts wireless charging, which is a significant upgrade compared to the Galaxy's 15-watt wireless charging. Google is preparing to launch a strong competitor to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, making the Android market even more competitive. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to feature many new AI innovations from Google. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a top contender and is considered one of the best smartphones of 2024. Which device will be the best? Only time will tell. But right now, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems likely to keep its top spot. So, what do you think of both devices? Let us know in the comments below. For more updates, check out our channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care.